Hi guys, my name is Priyanshu and you are watching Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing question number 5b. For this, write the output, find errors in the following code snippets. So here is A, write the output, include IO stream.h and here is some codes are here A, B, and before this I want to share something that we are providing all assignments in the PDF and the handwritten form. If you need this, you can contact us on our WhatsApp number, and which is 9009368238. For this you can just message on the WhatsApp, so we will apply on this. And we are providing the online classes for your classes. If you need this, you can contact too. Now here we are discussing the question number 5b. The here are the T. So one, 2, 3, 4 codes are given, and we have prepared all the answers accordingly. If you need this, so you can contact us immediately. So we will provide all the answers immediately. Thank you so much for watching.